Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to Math with Sir Kiko. In today's lesson, we're going to discuss the addition of fraction, focusing on the similar fraction. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let's go. Now, for example number 1, as you can see, how do we identify if the given fractions are the similar fraction? Again, we identify the similar fraction if the denominator are the same. So, this time, we identify the similar fraction by seeing the denominator. The denominator are not the same. So, therefore, they are dissimilar fraction. As simple as that. Now, let's perform the operation. 3p plus 2 fourths. Now, how do we add this two fraction? Now, first, you're going to find the LCD of the two fraction. LCD. What would be the LCD? The LCD is the least common denominator, or by simply listing 5 and 4 by multiple, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, and then 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. The least common between the two number is 20. So therefore, the LCD of the two number 5 and 4 is 20. So by writing the two number with the denominator of 20, because the LCD of the two is 20. Now, following the rule. So simple as that, we need to follow divide, 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 and multiply. So simply as that, you need to remember divide first and multiply. So dividing the LCD by the first denominator, so 20 divided by 5, the answer is 4. 20 divided by 5, the answer is 4. Times 3, the answer is 12. Oh, as simple as that. Then we have to divide the second LCD by the second denominator. 20 divided by 4, the answer is correct. The answer is 5. Okay, 5 times 2, the answer is 10. And then following the rule of the similar fraction, because to make these two fraction combine, you need to follow the rule of the similar fraction. You need to copy the denominator, or add the numerator first. 12 plus 10, 12 plus 10, the answer is 22 over 20. Then, go storm your answer if possible. 22 and 20 has a common factor, can be divided by 2, both the numerator and denominator. Therefore, 22 divided by 2, the answer is 11. Over 20 divided by 2, the answer is 10. So, therefore, the final answer is 11 over 20. Okay? So, let's try another one to further analyze how to add a dissimilar fraction. First, you need to find the LCD. So, the LCD of 9 and 3. So, by skip counting, so 9, 18, 27, 3, 6, 9. So, the simple as that, the common factor, the common between the two number is 9. So, therefore, the LCD of 5, 9, and 2/3 is 9. So, the LCD of the two number is 9. Then, so, following the rule, divide and multiply. Divide first. 9 divided by 9, the answer is 1. Times 5, the answer is 5. Then, we have 9 divided by 3, the answer is 3. Times 2, the answer is 6. Again, 9 divided by 3, the answer is 3. Times 2. Okay, following the rule, divide and multiply after you get the LCD. So, to make the two fractions similar. Okay? So, following the rule, divide, multiply to make the two fractions similar. Now, therefore, we have now the similar fraction. So, following the rule, we need to add 5 plus 6, 5 plus 6, and then copy the denominator 9. 5 plus 6, the answer is 11 over 9. So that's it. That would be the final answer. Okay? Okay, so let's have another example. So we have 3/7 plus 3/4. How do we do that? How do we add these two fractions? First, LCD again. LCD of 7 and 4. So, a simple way sometimes is you need to multiply the two number. Okay, so let's multiply. The answer is 28. So, 28. But, so, to check your answer, so, you need to skip counting. 7, 14, 21, then 28. Then, so, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and 28. So, the two number are 28. Now, so that will be the common factor. Then, following the rule, again, divide and multiply to make the two fraction similar. So, 28 divided by 7, the answer is 4. 4 times 3, the answer is 12, correct. Then, 28 divided by 4, the answer is 7. 7 times 3, the answer is 21. Okay? So now the two fraction now are in the form of similar fraction. Then following the rule is you need to add the numerator 12 plus 21, then copy the denominator 28. Then 12 plus 21. Okay, so 21 plus 12 to make it sure. 12 plus 2 plus 1, the answer is 3, then 3. So therefore the answer is 33 over 28. Okay, so therefore this would be the answer. Okay, then we have now another example. We have 5 9 plus 2/3. So I already solved this one, but let's try to solve again to make some adjustment or clear explanation. So find first the LCD. So 9 and 3. So I said earlier, by multiplying the two number, you get the LCD. But this time, so as you can see, it's not the proper way. Again, by getting the LCD, you need to skip counting. So 9, 18, 27, then 3, 6, 9. So the simple LCD is 9. So we have 9 and 9. The operation is addition. Divide and multiply to make the two fractions similar. 9 divided by 9, the answer is 1. Times 5, the answer is 5. Then 3, 9 divided by 3, the answer is 3. Times 2, the answer is 6. Then adding the two number, because they are similar fraction, 5 plus 6, the answer is 11 over 9. Okay, so that's it. So I hope you already know how to add the similar fraction. So try to practice your skills by adding the two fractions, 2/3 plus 3/4, and 1/2 plus 4/6. Comment down your answer in the comment section below. So that's it for today. Thank you and God bless everyone.